Greasing bearings on the cutter wheel, Rayco Predator Mulcher. Tools required: number 2 grease gun. Be sure to read the Operator Service Maintenance Manual in its entirety prior to working on your Rayco forestry mulcher. The Maintenance Made Easy videos provide you with visual reference only and are not intended to replace your manual. Always wear proper clothing and personal protective equipment. Hard hat, eye, and ear protection must be worn while working on the equipment. Hand protection should be worn where necessary to protect the worker's hands. Reference your manual for further instruction on proper clothing and protective equipment. All Rayco forestry mulchers have a grease reference chart located either inside the cabin or in the engine enclosure. It's important to familiarize yourself with these charts to locate all grease points. Before you begin greasing, tilt the mulcher head slightly forward and then rest the head on the ground. Turn off the engine, remove the key, and place in your pocket so it cannot accidentally be turned on while working. Begin by wiping off all grease zerks with a rag before greasing. Begin greasing with number 2 grease and make sure to cover all grease locations. Remember to reference the grease chart for the correct amount of grease and intervals for your forestry mulcher model. Finish by wiping off all grease zerks with a rag. Your forestry mulcher is now ready for operation.